Let's go to Carolina. We could start a new life. Already my best friend. Why don't you be my new wife? I don't like living.
Muto here, submission fishing. What's going on, guys? Here at Kiawah Island in South Carolina. Super windy out. Wind's probably to take the lure off. I honestly don't even know what to fish, but I'm here. I'm gonna go out on a boat tomorrow. Really do some fishing out with the captain. But right now, I'm gonna see what we can do. Just throw it out there. I don't expect anything. Brought my travel rod, a little spinning setup, and maybe we'll throw a jerkbait or something, see what happens. But I'm a realist, but we're gonna try it.
American pride and Southern charm. Sunday school and lots of arms. We can spend the rest of our lives. Let's go to Carolina. We could start a new life. You're already my best friend. But don't you be
nothing out there, just throwing a little surf jig, seeing what happens. Like I said, stuff we use in like California. It's definitely low tide, so I think that's not helping so much. I've only been out here maybe 15 minutes. I'm gonna keep walking down, casting, but I can see the beach line where I'm on the wet sand, so I imagine the water goes up right to where that where the weed line is right there, where all the plants go in the dry sand. So it's definitely low tide, so it's super shallow. I don't know if I'm hitting the sandbars. There's actually a sandbar right behind me, and so that's sort of the problem. I cast and it's super shallow and I hit that sandbar pretty quick, so it'd be nice to be casting into that when the tide was higher, but it doesn't look like it's gonna happen. So we'll work at it a little more. It's still fun being out here fishing on Christmas.
Without you, let's go to Carolina. We could start a new life. You're already my best friend. Don't you be my new wife? I don't like living. You don't have much to trust in. You're scared to love again. I don't wanna miss the blessing in Carolina. Carolina. Carolina.
We're gonna try it again. Little ponds and rivers out here, alligators obviously. Found a little fishing spot here. We'll see what happens. Like I said, I got a bunch of West Coast stuff. Don't really know what's in here, but we'll try a little Ned rig or something, mix it up. If not, maybe I'll do some live bait, or not live bait, like a gulp shrimp or something like that. Set one out to soak and then fish the other one. Short bites. I don't know if it's small fish or what it is. Something wants it, but fortunately another strikeout here on Kiawah Island. Had about an hour and a half there. Got to go meet up with the family again. It's the day after Christmas. Still got the boat trip tomorrow with the captain. Called Rhett's Bluff. We're going out with Captain Elliot. He should be here shortly. He's on one of these boats, and that's what we've been waiting for. I'm gonna go out and hit it and hopefully get on some fish. Fingers crossed.
Yeah, 50-50, hit or miss type deal this time of the year. But as far as inshore, the inshore fishing's phenomenal. So if we get out there and it's like we're not finding anything, we're gonna run in here and just try to finish strong with a lot of fish. So we'll cover some ground. We're gonna sneak out of Cap Sam's Inlet. So that's the west end. That's between Kiawah and Seabrook.
Okay.
And then go from there all the way towards Fort KI, which is about 40 feet, about 8 miles off the beach.
Got some dolphins up here. 2.4 feet of water, pretty shallow.
Oh. Guys, these bottlenose dolphins, their average lifespan here is 50 years, and they don't migrate. So we become pretty familiar with them. This is part of the Kiawah pod right here.
Oh wow.
So what Captain was saying was that these dolphins don't migrate, so they live in this area. So the pod is, you know, the same pod that you see. This is their home year round. Not like we have back in the Pacific where they take off and come back.
So yeah, I like to think these dolphins know me. You know, I'm out here every day. They hear the same vibrations, see the same boat. They definitely know my labs. They're obsessed with my dog. Run about 6 miles out and we're looking for gannets. And these gannets, you know, they're related to the blue-footed booby. Really, really neat birds. They're large and they're diving from 30 to 40 feet up. They're going 15 to 20 feet underwater. So what's really amazing is the gannets come all the way from Newfoundland and they're monogamous. So they have one mate their entire life and they go right back up to Canada and it's pretty crazy.
So guys, right now we're looking for the birds. Just like in San Diego, how we look for the terns for the tuna. Really it's the same thing, except it's the gannets. We're seeing dolphins and same thing, they're pushing the bait fish up. Same game, different coast.
Wow.
Follow these dolphins here. Maybe they'll lead us to something. Well, there we go.
Yay! What'd you get?
Woodfish.
A little one.
Hi, Uncle John.
That's a nice looking fish.
He is.
Just try to do a little pitch under that bridge, like a little sidearm sling, if you can.
We'll try. Oh, I felt a bite. Something bit it. There it is.
There he is. Yay!
Oh, nice. Nice one.
Is that a mullet?
That's a red.
That's red.
No eyes, huh?
We got the one. Yeah.
One.
That was the first red.
Cool.
Nice. Can you lip these guys? They got teeth.
So what I like to do.
You gotta get.
Good. Hey, John.
Hey, looking for golf balls.
Yeah. You got your grabber?
You know everybody here.
You a celebrity, Uncle John.
No.
Our first redfish, guys.
That's cool.
Beautiful.
Why is it called red?
Nice little fight.
Not red.
It's kind of red.
Yeah, they got a little bit of red in their coloring.
Into the drink.
Some will have even more.
Good. That was good.
Good job.
They're gonna love it. Brian likes to fish. Is gonna love it. Hey.
Is that right in that shadow?
Yeah.
Let's go, Jessica. Ooh, it's got fight.
Bigger fish.
There we go. Keep pressure on them high. There you go. There you go. Don't bring it up. He's got the net, so come this way. Don't pull it out. Oh yeah.
Black drum.
Nice. Walk it over there. Keep it in the water. Keep it in. Keep it in. Yay.
Awesome.
Dude, that is a nice fish.
So this.
Hell yeah.
Is in the
That's what I was talking about, those drums.
Okay.
Remember this guy? We call them big uglies.
Yeah, I can see that.
That thing is awesome.
And they're more of a bottom feeder. Check out what
Wow.
they got. So.
Oh
they got
yeah.
These little whiskers.
Like a
coming out.
catfish.
Interesting.
Yeah.
That's cool.
So really neat big peck fins.
That is a
here.
big fish. Want to
cool.
hold it, take a picture with
Yeah.
it? Yeah, I did. Let me get my camera.
What noises are we making?
It's like a
What is
croaker.
happening over here? Oh, that's why. Like, are you farting on me? What's happening?
Careful grabbing them. Watch those dorsals.
Okay. I got him.
Yeah, get the sun on them.
You can like feel
Drumming
it.
away.
Like
All
something.
right,
You
bye
could,
guy.
that was a nice one.
Awesome.
That was a jackpot right there.
All right.
Broke the skunk.
Broke my-
Right back in that same.
Oh, I missed the hooks. There we go. Now we doubled up like right there. Oh yeah, baby.
He keeps going to the back of the boat. Jessica, just keep going with it. Keep that tension. You're gonna have a nice red on that one.
Oh, it's going into you, John. Let me go over you. Oh yeah, it's got a fight.
Make sure you don't.
Oh, broke it off.
No. That's
Man. There we go, Jessica. I lost mine, but you still got yours. Stamp me off. There we go. Finesse.
If he comes back towards the motor.
Let him pull drag. There you go. Fight it. Mine popped the hook.
Did your hook come off?
No,
Oh,
it popped out. I heard it snap too. It must have been in a hard part of its mouth or something. There you go. Keep it down, bring it over. Yeah, another drum. You're the drum killer. Man, this thing is a monster.
in the first
Yeah,
Crazy.
that is freaking awesome. Look at this thing, Jessica's fish.
Woo,
Big
nice
old
work.
drum. This is your pregnancy fish. You can show our daughter that. Was it saltwater, brackish water?
This
Or
is
what is this?
all salt.
All salt.
Pure salt.
You got one?
No.
Snagged again?
Snagged.
What are you finding down there?
There you go.
Again? Jessica the Slayer.
Jessica.
Slaying it. Be another drum. There you go.
Yeah.
Reel down. Bring it up.
Red. Different species. You want to net them?
Yeah. No, that's another
Another black-
drum.
There you go.
Jessica's the drum slayer.
I just put it where Elliot said to put it.
That's your fish.
Leave Jessica share.
I'll trade spots with you. Try over here. Is it the same one, do you think?
No. there's no way.
Do they bite again?
Once they meet you, they're gonna hunker down.
Can they learn? They learn from their mistakes?
I think they're a little smarter than most people give them credit for.
Yeah.
Pretty fish, yeah. You can see
Yeah.
all those whiskers on them.
That noise
Yeah.
is so crazy.
He's drumming now. Let's see that spine
Beautiful
line
fish,
all the
yeah.
way down. The reds have that same little marking too.
Are they related?
Yeah, they are.
Beautiful
Okay.
fish.
Cool.
You guys do a lot of slow pitch jigging out here?
A lot of what?
Slow pitch jigging? No?
Do a lot of jigging. Mainly at the reef.
Yeah.
Like inshore, we're throwing mostly gold shrimp. We'll jig in deeper holes.
Where am I going? Just straight? Straight out?
So, yeah, I would go. Just get a right past the where the sun's hitting the water in the shadow. Aim for the grass.
There we go. You didn't hear that thing take off? I don't think it's a monster, but it's got some fight to it. Decent sized one.
Perfect hook set too.
Yeah.
That would be right in the slot, so that would be a keeper.
Nice.
Nice.
Guys, I'm Captain Elliot Hillock. We are on Kiawah Island, South Carolina. And yeah, if you want to follow me, we're on, I think it's el.hillock, el.hillock at Instagram.
It was a great trip. We had a fun time. Got on some big old black drum, got some redfish, and you know, we went out looking for the bigger stuff, couldn't find it, but still a great time. Everybody had fun, and another one in the books.
Nobody died.
Nobody died, so we're still alive.
Free piercings.
There you go.